For example, if you're high in neuroticism, you're going to be more concerned with safety and security. If you're agreeable, you're going to be relationship focused. If you're disagreeable, you're going to be competitive. If you're conscientious, you're going to be interested in order and productivity. If you're open, you're going to be interested in aesthetics and ideas. Well, right there, you've got a bit of a map of the territory of calling and conscience that you're going to occupy. And so you have a nature, and it's given to you, and it manifests itself in what interests you and what bothers you.